Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, traction control, backup camera, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.